So this video is about the spherical coordinate system. So what I will explain in this video is how to represent any point in space using a spherical coordinate system. So spherical coordinate system will be made up of three things. One is a plane made up of an angle phi, and the second is a cone, and third is a sphere. So the sphere will have a cone will have an angle theta, and the sphere will be a point extending with a radius r. So this is how you will represent any point in space using the spherical coordinate system. So I will just draw that. Drawing that, what you will get is if you are having the x, y and z coordinates, and if this is my plane, so first I will draw a plane, and the angle of that plane will be the 5 degrees from the x-axis. So this is what is my Cartesian coordinate system, coordinate axis of x, y and z, which I have drawn here. And the second step is drawing an angle of theta, which is a cone. So whenever I have a cone, I'm drawing it simply here this way. So this is my angle theta, and whatever will be going through this will be my cone, which can be formed from this angle, and that's my second step. And again this will intersect at some point which is known as a P point, and this will be what this will form is this will form my sphere. So the sphere will constitute something like this. So that's how it's possible to locate a point in space using angle phi, which was a plane, angle theta, which was towards the z-axis, as you can see, and this formed a cone, and a radius of r. So this was a radius of r, which is a radius of r, which is a sphere. So again, writing some equations for this. So it's possible to project this whole thing down here, and when you project it down here, what you will get is something like r sine theta, and something you'll get here on this side will be r cos theta. And based on that, you can write the equation of converting this to Cartesian system. So easily convert this to Cartesian system. So x will be equal to, so you will have to project the same thing. If you are projecting it on this side and you are projecting it on this side, so this will be my y, and this will be my x, and this will be my z. So my x will be r sine theta and cos phi. My y will be r sine theta and sine phi, and my z will be equal to r cos theta. So in this way it was possible to convert uh, the values from one coordinate system to the other coordinate system. And again, if you are taking the r is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square, so you can find your r, and then again it's possible to find the phi using tan inverse of y by x. Since once you have found your y, and you can find your theta is equal to cos inverse of z upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. That's coming from the cos theta which you are having here, and you have found your value of r, and then you are putting it in z. So that's how you find your value of theta as cos inverse of that. So that's how you have found out all your values, and it's possible. So this video was how to represent a point using the spherical coordinate system, and how to convert the values which you are finding in the spherical coordinate system to the Cartesian coordinate system. So that's what you have done.